Hello children, namaste everyone. Welcome back to the mathematics class. Dear children, in our last video we have seen about fractions, sum of the fractions, and how to add the fractions, how to subtract the fraction, how to multiply and how to divide the two fractions, and also about equivalent fractions and how to represent the fractions on the adding using number line, but we have studied in our last videos. Today we will learn a new topic from the same chapter, is about decimals. See, what are decimals? Decimals means what? And how to write a number using decimal form and place name chart of the decimals. Okay, decimals. See, for example, a number. How to read this number? 4 and 5. If you write, the number is named as 45. 45. So this is a whole number, isn't it? See, 45 is a whole number. If you expand this number, you have studied in your last class. If you expand this number, you will write that number as 4 into 10, because the place name of this 5 is ones and 4 is tens. Ones, tens. So you have to multiply 4 by 10 plus 5 into 1. Ones, because 5 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place. 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So this is the expanded form. Suppose a number is 754. Now how can we expand this number? See, 7, it is in the 100 place, therefore you have to multiply by 100, plus 5 into 5 is in the tens place, therefore you have to multiply by 10, and 4 is in the unit place, you have to multiply it by 1. So this is what we have studied in our classes, in our previous classes, is it? So this is how we can write this 454 in the expanded form. Suppose a number is like this. So which are the place value charts of this whole number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like this. It continues like this. That one you have studied in your previous classes also, 6th standard also. Is it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, like that it continues, is it? If after, see, you know, if you represent the numbers on the number line, it this side, if you come to the left, it increases. See here, see, value increases. See, 554, the values of 700, here it is 700, 50, 550, 4, only 4 into 1. Is it? Because the place name of the left side is more than its right side place. Therefore, the place names of these numbers, the 754, here 7 is in the biggest place, in the 100 place. Therefore, 700s are there, 5 tens are there, 50 and 4 ones are there, like that. See, the number is written like this. 5 to 52, then after this is unit place, this is 10 place. If you put one point there, then it becomes 7 or 2, whatever may be. After one point, if you write that number, this part of this given number is called decimal part. This is called now decimal part. After the decimal part, after the decimal point, the numbers are called decimal part of the numbers. So the value of this number decreases and place name, now the place name of 2 is ones, 5 is tens. But after the decimal point, the first number what it comes is called tens place. This is tens place, T-E-N-S, tens place. This is ones place, and after decimal point, first place is called tens. Ten, not tens, it is tens, 110. 110. Therefore, look at this place name chart. See, ones place here, see here, from here onwards all whole number. One place value is 1, then tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like that. See, after the decimal point, it is 1 by 10. The value of this is, here it is 2 into 1, 5 into 10, 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. See, after this plus, this is 1/10 of the place, 1/10 or 10th place. Next digit. Suppose here it's one more digit, 3. For example, it is 3. It is hundreds, not hundreds. HUNDREDS. No, it is HUNDREDTHS. Hundreds place. So 1 by 100. Its place value is 1 by 100. Next, thousands. Thousands. So 1 by 1000. Next, 10,000s. Lakhs. Like that it moves. Okay. Therefore, if you expand this number, for example, 458.34. How we can expand this number? See, 4 into how? 4 into 100. 4 is in the 100 place. See, this is the decimal point. That 4 is in the 100 place. So we can write it as 4 into 100 plus 5 is in the 10th place. 5 into 10. 5 into 10. Then plus 8 is in the unit place. So 8 into 1 plus 3 is in the 10th place. 1/10th place. Therefore, 3 into 1 by 10 plus 4 is in the 100th place, 4 into 1 by 100. So this is the expanded form of the number. So if a decimal number is given like this, we can expand that number like this. So after here you can write 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 like that, or we can write like this, 1 by 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, like that also you can write. Here how you can write 10, 10 to the power 2, here 1 by 10, 1 by 10 to the power 2, like that. Here 10, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, like that we will continue the number. So this is the expanded form of a decimal number. Okay. Next, how to check a number whether it is more or less. See, for example, if I write 3.2, 3.4, look at this. Which number is greater? This one or this one? 3.2 is greater or 3.4 is greater? See how we can write here? It is 3 into 1. 3 is there in both the number. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10. 2 by 10. We can write it as 2 by 10. This is 3 into 1. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 10. 4 into 1 by 10. Which is greater here? 3 into 1, 3 into 1. Here both have advantage. Here 2 into 1 by 10 is equal to 2 by 10. We can write it as 2 by 10. Here 4 into 1, 4 by 10. So which is greater, this one or this one? This side both the same, 3, 3 here. But decimal part, 0.2 is greater or 0.4 is greater. See, the meaning is 2 by 10, 2 out of 10. Out of 10, only 2 parts. If you make it 10 parts, here only 2 parts. Here in that 10 parts, 4 parts are there. So 4 is more than, out of 10 parts, out of 10 parts, 2 parts is less than 4 parts. 4 parts are more. Therefore, this is larger number. Is it? In the first place, 1/10th place, if the number is greater. Suppose if I write one number like this, 5 and 0.08. Suppose, what is the meaning of this? Which is greater, this one or this one? Look at this. Here 0.5. Soon after the decimal point, there is 5. What is the meaning? See, 0. There is no whole number. In both the numbers, it is 0. Let us count the decimal part. 5 into, the meaning is 5 into 1 by 10. 5 into 1 by 10 is what? What is the meaning? 5 into 1 by 10 is 5 by 10. 5 into 1, 5 by 10. The answer is 5 by 10. But here, what is the meaning? 0 into 0 by 10. Is it 0 by 10? See here, not 5 by 10. So 5 into 1 by 10. Here 0 into 1 by 10. That means 0 by 10. 0 into 1, 0 by 10. Plus, it is 0. 0 by 10 is equal to 0. Then 8 by 8 into 1 by 100. Correct? See, this is in the 100th place. After second place is 100th place. After decimal point, first place is 1 by 10. Second place is 1 by 100. So 100th place, 1 by 100 is equal to, what is the answer? Plus 8 by 100. Here it is 0. 0 plus 8 by 100. So what is remaining? Here it is remaining 5 by 10. Here it is remaining 8 by 100. Which is more now? 5 by 10 or 8 by 100? Here it is the meaning is. What is the meaning here? 5 by 10. What is the meaning here? 8 by 100. Nothing is there in the 10th place. It is in the 100th place. 8 is in the 100th place. Therefore, the answer is 8 by 100. Okay. Therefore, which is more, this one or this one? In the first example, out of 10 parts, 5 parts are there. In the second example, out of 100 parts, you have to make this whole into 100 parts, then only 8 parts. So this is more, is it? Out of 10, 5 parts are more. Out of 10, 5 parts means full half getting. 1 by 2, the answer is. Here, out of 100, you have to form that 100 parts, that only 8 parts, is very small. Okay, so if you move right after the decimal point, if you move right, the value decreases. Okay, like this we will learn. Now let us see some of the questions from the textbook. Let us see some of the questions from the textbook. See, which is greater? It is there. One question I will write, and remaining question you have to try. See, one question, 0.5 or 0.05. Which is greater, this one or this one? This is greater. Why? This is, the meaning is 5 by 10. Here it is, the meaning is 5 by 100. 5 is in the 100 place. 5 by 100. So 5 by 10 is more than 5 by 100. Here the meaning is, the whole is divided into 10 parts. Out of 10 parts, 5 parts means exact half you will get. Here the whole is divided into 100 parts, and out of 100 parts, only 5 parts. So very less you will get. Therefore, this is more. And 0.7 and 0.5. 0.5, which is more? 0.7 means 7 by 10. 0.5 means 5 by 10. 0.7 by 10. See, a whole is divided into 10 parts. In that 7 part is more than whole is divided into 10 parts out of 5 parts. So 0.7 is more. 0.7 is more. Like this we will learn. Next, look at the next one. In the same way, many questions are there in your textbook. You have to try that question. Okay. Look at the next question. See, while writing, for example, 50 rupees. Yes, 50 rupees you will write like this. 50 rupees 50 paise. You will write 50 rupees 50 paise like this. Or 60 rupees 75 paise. So rupees, in rupees you will write like this, 60.75. See, paise, if you write in rupees, then it becomes point. See, 75 paise. I will write 75 paise in rupees. 75 paise means rupees 0.75. 75. Up to 99 paise it is 75. You see, after it is 0.99. If it becomes 100, 100 means 1 rupee. 100 paise means 1 rupee. That 1 rupee comes here. Here it is a whole number. It becomes a whole number. So how to represent 5 rupees 100 paisa? What is the meaning? 5 rupees 100 paisa means 5 rupees 100 paisa. 100 paisa means 1 rupee. So it becomes 1, 0, 0 paisa, 1 rupee, 1 extra comes, so 5 plus 1, 6. 5 rupees 100 paisa means 6 rupees, total it is 6 rupees. Okay. See, look at the second example. Look at the second example. One example I will see, 7 paisa or 7 paisa. How will you write 7 paise? 7 paise means I will write 0 rupees, 0, 7. Only 7. Don't write 7 like this. If you write like this, it becomes 70. In 0 you can add. Right hand side, how many zeros also you can add? It becomes 70 paisa. 7 means only 7 paisa. That should be 2 digits. Therefore, it is here. 7 is to be written here. So, rupees 0.07. 0.07. 7 rupees 7 paisa. See, 7 rupees 7 paisa. 7 rupees. Rupees 7. 7 paisa 0 7.07 7.07 7 rupees 7 paisa, like this you will write. Next, look at and many examples are there. You have to write that example. Express 5 centimeter in meters and kilometer. 5 centimeter in meter. In meter, how will write meter? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter. Is it? Here 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter means 5 by 100. I will write 0.05. 0.5 meter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. Like this you will write. Okay, like this you will write. Okay. In that same way you have to try the remaining question. Next, express in kg, grams in kg. How much? 1 kg means how many grams? 1 kg means 1000 grams. 1 kg means how many grams? 1000 grams. So up to 1000, 3 digits you can write like this. See, 900 grams. See, this is 900 grams. Means how much kg? 900 grams means 0. Kg. If you write 0.900 kg. 0 not necessary to write. 0.9 kg. If you write means also the meaning is 9 kg. See, 200 grams. 200 grams means 0. How much? 200 grams. See, 2 grams. That is 200 grams. 2 grams means that 2 you have tried here. 2 grams. 2 grams outright. 2 grams. 0.002 kg. 0.2002 kg. 2 grams means. 20 kg means 20 grams. I will write 0.020 kg. See, 20 grams is equal to 0.020. 0 you can write or it is not necessary to write. 0.02 kg. 2 grams we will write like this. 0.002 kg. Or 200 grams you will write as 0.200 kg. Like this you will write. Okay, like this. Next, fifth question. Look at the fifth question. The remaining question you have to try. Fifth question. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. It is on the 48th page, page number 48. 20.03. 20.03. Expanded form. In the expanded form you have to write. How to write in the expanded form? 2 into, it is in the tens place. 2 into 10. 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1. It is in the ones place. Plus 0 into 1 by 10, 1 by 10 plus, see, 2 into 10, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10, 3 is in the 100th place, so you have to write 3 into 1 by 100. So this is the expanded form of 20.03. Like this we will expand. Like that many questions are there, you have to learn. Next, write the place value of 2 in each of the following decimal numbers. Write the place value of 2. Place value of 2 you have to write. See, it is given 2.56. Place value of 2. What is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 means 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 into 1. What is the place value? 2 into 1. It is in the unit place. 2 is in the unit place. In this example. Yes. 21.37. What is the place value? 2 is in the tens place. 2 into 10. The place value of 2 is 2 into 10 or 20. We will write it as 20. 2 into 10. Next example. 10.25. The 2 is here. What is the value of 2? See, 1.2, 1 into 10, 0 into 1, 2 into 1 by 10, 2 by 10. Is it 2 by 10? The answer is 2 by 10 or 1 by 5. Place value of 2 into, or we will write like this, 2 into 1 by 10. Correct? 2 into 1 by 10. Like that. That questions goes like that. Okay. Then seventh question, you try that question. Remaining questions you will try and try to understand that concepts, all the topics from the book. Okay. This is about some basic ideas about the decimals. I will send the notes. You try to understand that notes. If it is difficult to understand, keep it as such. After the regular opening of the school, we will see. Okay. Try to understand, very simple. This one decimal chapter is very simple. So try to understand all the topics. Okay. See you in our another class. Thank you.